Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. I am about to start my third day of on-stage convention with Stampin' Up! And I was super excited, but I did get a UPS package, so I want to show you everything. And oh my goodness, it's so exciting. So let me show you, with your help, those of you who are customers of mine and team members of mine, I was able to attend center stage. And when you're able to attend center stage, they give you this little gift. It's usually a whole dinner and a training, and it's really cool. But they sent this, and then I opened it up, and look, it's a brand new pair of paper snips and these cute little charms, and one is a Stampin' Up! Logo, and the other is a cute little envelope. Aren't those so adorable? And so these go on the edge of your scissors, and I love my charms. That's how you differentiate which ones are yours. So they sent different colors and stuff to different people, and so mine was like a red, like a mauve color. And then this little guy right here, that's rubber. And you stick that, if you could see that little hole there, the edge of your paper snips go in there. So just like that. And so that way, you don't go poking, because look how sharp those are. So super excited about this little gift. So I wanted to come on and say thank you so much to my team, my customers, and those of you who are just watching, because you guys help me and inspire me more than anything, and I appreciate that. So let's go ahead and see everything that I wanted to show you. This is what I got. I do have a sneak of what's coming out in the new catalog, but this is, well, this is an unboxing, so it's got random stuff in there. I've got my little refill of my Stampin' seal. I always get those because I need them. And then for those of you who are taking my class on the 21st, I got the Christmas Gleaming Bundle, just like you guys, with the 2 punches. We're going to have so much fun. I cannot wait. So I already have card ideas, and oh, it's so fun. So I'll be sending you all of your stuff here within the next coming week. All right, next. It's too late to sign up for the Christmas Gleaming package, but you could sign up for the little treats bundle package. And what it is you get this little stamp set. Look at, it's got, oh my goodness, the rings, the little hats, some candy, some little ornaments. I'll be making cards with this. I always do. But then, of course, I do a separate class for everybody. And then it comes with a die set as well. And it's got that little treat box. We're going to be making some treat boxes. We're going to be making some cards out of those dies as well. We just have a good time just talking to each other face to face. So if you're not aware, that is on June, no, not June. I went and saw the real ribbon. This is the ribbon you'll need to get as well. So when you buy the little treats bundle and the ribbon, you get to attend my December class. And I'll be doing it's a Wednesday night stamp and sip. So get your favorite beverage, and we get on Zoom together, and we talk face to face. All the beauties meet other beauties. It's a lot of fun. And we just stamp and chit chat and talk, and it's usually about 2 hours long. So if you wanted to get on that, just go to my website. I'll put all the information down below. And then here is the sneak peek. I'm going to open the package up. Ready? I'm going to open it up. Look at that. I don't know if you could see. You can see everything else. It's a dragonfly. Adorable. I love it so much. So that means that everything must be kind of dragonfly. This is the dragonfly garden. So I've been waiting and waiting to show you guys this. So I'm glad that we can do that now. And then, you guys, it comes with designer series paper as well. Now this doesn't go on sale until Celebration. And the Celebration is starting January 5th. So I am currently selecting who gets the catalogs from me for free. So if you have purchased from me in the past 6 months and have spent over $50, you will be getting a catalog from me. So, but look at this. And they're double-sided, of course. But you see those dragonflies? Guess what? Guess what? Well, this one might not fit in because I'd have to cut it down. But this and this are going to fit together. Yeah, I definitely would have to cut it down. Let me find another one, because I know there's plenty. But let me just show you here. There's so many pieces in here. We've got some dandelions. And I'll tell you what, when you go to the onstage, you get to see, look, there's another one. Let's see if this one will fit in there. That one might be too big. Oh no, it does. Look. So you just punch it and it comes right out. How cool is that? Or if you just want your dandelion to be purple with little dandelions on it. Did I say dandelions? Dragonfly. So, I'm so sorry. I tell you, I don't edit. I leave it all in. And there's nothing for me to mess up today, so I'm just going to go ahead and call dandelions, dragonflies, and cough on camera. So I'm super excited. There are some great little pieces here. Look at all that. So, and what else? Oh, and new ribbon. This is the, what color is this? Mossy Meadow? Yes, it's the Mossy Meadow trim linen. It's this one. Let me show you. This is the same one in Crumb Cake. So it's the braided linen. But it's just in that Mossy Meadow color. And look how well those two colors will work together. Oh man, I'm super excited. Now there's one more thing we've got to look at. And these are adorable. They are little Ladybug trinkets. You get a whole bunch of them. How many do you get? You get 20 of them. And I think they are the size of a real ladybug. It's going to be hard for me to show you. Can you see? I know. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see if you could... Does this help? Oh! Ladybug, ladybug, fly away. I don't know the rest of that song. Alright, beauties. I hope you enjoyed my little bag of tricks, and apparently I do have a lot of oopsies and boo-boos on this video, but that's okay. That's who we are. It happens in real life, and I want to share my life with you guys, so that's what we do. This mess right here, you guys, I'm going to ask you to hold me accountable. I need to clean that up. That's what my plan is. While I'm watching convention, because it is online, I'm going to be working on this back desk here. So if that's not cleaned up by the next time I do a face-to-face like this, you let me know. Alright, beauties. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and for just supporting me. I couldn't do this without you. And I will talk to you later. Have a great weekend. Bye!